The new Reid Neon is the choice for riders who appreciate details. Finished with SRAM and WTB kit, this bike represents a refinement of the modern hardtail. Rocks, dirt and jumps are all in a day's work. The Neon is a performance 29er hardtail designed for impressive handling and control. In the dirt and in the air, this is a confidence-inspiring bike that begs to be pushed. Geometry and spec choices on this bike were made to deliver maximum fun at an impressive price. The frame is a lightweight, double-butted 6061 hydroformed alloy with modern trail geometry. The Neon also features a low standover top tube for riders who like to throw the bike around and hit some jumps. This bike sees an improved 100mm travel Suntour Raidon 32 suspension fork up front. This lightweight and easily adjustable air fork also features a hydraulic lockout for plush descents or efficient climbing. Braking is handled by the reliable and smooth Shimano MT200 hydraulic discs. Hydraulics offer more power with less lever force required than other systems, which gives better modulation and control in all riding conditions. Spec'd with the new SRAM SX Eagle 1x12 drivetrain for plenty of smooth shifting range while running a single chainring up front. This preferred setup for mountain biking means more clearance over rocks and one less lever to think about when pushing it. The Neon runs on tan wall 29 by 2.25 inch WTB Ranger tyres with durable and fast WTB ST I25 rims. This bike holds the trail for a fast and responsive ride and is fitted with through-axle hubs for improved rigidity and secure alignment between wheel and frame. Finished with carefully chosen details like lock-on velo grips, a WTB Volt saddle and VP platform pedals that keep you in control. This bike is ready to ride. Our range of mountain bikes all come with the industry-leading lifetime frame warranty, 2 years on parts and 2 free services within 12 months of purchase at any Reid store. Visit our stores to try the bikes or shop online for our 30-day test ride to guarantee you get a great deal.